Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Usually I use this short antenna on citizen band, and sometimes I need to more distance, and decided to buy this long antenna, 1.7 meters long. Let's see closely the magnet and coil inside this box. Inside the box we can find the magnet with the cable coaxial RG58AU. On the opposite side you can find the key, and right here you see the cover. I think that's really nice thing. You can close the connector. Length of the antenna around 1.61 meters, and I think on the box was the length with the magnet, 1.71 meter. When the antenna on top of the roof with the magnet. The length of the cable around 4 meters. Let's put the antenna on top of the roof and see the parameters. On the bottom of the antenna, around the connector, you can find the rubber ring. Don't lose it when you put the antenna on top of the roof. Just got the antenna on the roof of my car, and let's compare two antennas, this short antenna and this one, the long antenna. You can see right here. From the box, the antenna works below the main frequencies. We need to cut some of the antenna on top of the antenna, and let's do it and check. Let's cut the antenna around 1 centimeter, and finally I got the frequency which I need, around 27.135 and 27.2 megahertz. All works pretty good. SWR good too. Let's test the antenna. The diameter of the magnet around 12 centimeters, and the magnet is really strong. These parameters for the short antenna, for this short antenna, I mean. I have a switch. Let's switch between two antennas and make a test. Test, short antenna, test. Test, short antenna, test. Audio, short antenna, test. Nothing. Let's switch to the long antenna. Audio, short antenna, or long antenna, test. Long antenna, antenna is long. Let's switch to the short antenna again. Short antenna. Nothing. Test. Audio. Nothing. Let's switch back to the long antenna. Long antenna, long antenna. Test, test, test. Long antenna, long antenna. Test, test, test. It works much better. Thank you for watching my videos. Leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.